Hey everybody, so we have a new infotainment system update finally for the Kia EV6 and Hyundai ioniq 5, as well as other Kia and Hyundai vehicles. And I was debating making a video about it because it is so bad and so little was added, but I figured I might as well make you guys aware of the changes that actually are made. So just to show you guys, I am on the latest infotainment system update. It was just updated today, September 6th. This is the software version. This is version 0.12, version 12. Some people have speculated that this isn't a really new version, it's just bug fixes, but no, this is a new version. That new version number shows us that it is a new version that is out, and there's not really much that's different, but I am going to go through the changes that I have noticed in the system here. So one thing I have noticed is they have changed this screen to where it now says OTA update capable. I know some people, previously it used to say available, and some people would think that there was one available when there wasn't. Now at least it just says capable. And they also changed this down here to have USB update. So if there is an OTA update available, you can actually click that and it said update. Now it just says USB update. So it's very interesting there. But the OTA updates, the over-the-air updates, do seem to be coming for everybody. Mine installed fairly quickly, and I am happy with that experience, that it is doing better there. Now I'll go through the other changes that I have seen, and again, they are very minor. The first one is that in the Kia Connect system here, we now have sports. So now in the sports section, you can see there's items for baseball, soccer, basketball, golf, and ice hockey. Notably absent is football, which in the US is the most popular sport, so that's very interesting. But these do work. I know some people have said that they didn't work for them, but they do work for me. If I click baseball, I can see information about baseball scores and what's coming up. I can see the rank of different things, so that does work for me. You can also set up teams if there are teams that you want to follow in different leagues and that type of thing. So that is a change that is there. And that's basically all I got. If you look at the update notes here, you can see it says the new service has been updated, which is the sports section that I just showed you. And then it says that new features have been added to voice recognition, where you can add stops using the voice recognition. I honestly don't really use that very often, so I don't really see that as being much. So that's it. I went through all the settings and all the features, everything that you can adjust, and nothing else changed. Nothing else in the settings, no new settings in there that you can adjust. I have heard some people say that now when you navigate to something, there was a change there. If you need to stop and charge, it automatically adds that, as opposed to telling you that you can't make it without charging and asking you if you want to add charging stops. Now it just automatically does that. But that's the only change there that I have heard of. I haven't seen anything else there. But that's basically it. And I have to be honest, that's pretty pitiful that we waited this long for this infotainment system update. Remember, this one was supposed to come out in June, so it's 3 months late, and it only came with these feature updates, maybe some background bug fixes or something like that. But it's pretty pitiful. I'm not satisfied at all with the infotainment system updates for these vehicles. And honestly, it really makes it seem like Kia and Hyundai don't really care too much about this infotainment system, since they have the new CCNC platform, which is obviously a better system. It does not seem like they are prioritizing this system at all. I know a lot of people were hoping for wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. That obviously is not here. There's been a lot of speculation there on both sides as to whether or not the vehicle can actually do it. It's my understanding that the vehicle does have the hardware capable of doing it. I've actually talked to people at Kia Corporate, and they have said they are working on it. So if it didn't have the hardware capable of doing it, I wouldn't think that they would say they're working on adding it. But that was about a year ago that they said that. And again, now we're 2 infotainment system updates since then, and they haven't been able to get it to roll out. So I'm not very hopeful that they're going to be adding many more features to this infotainment system. I'm not very hopeful they're going to add a wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You'll just have to get an adapter like the T-Box Plus or something like that to have those additional features. That obviously provides you a lot more features anyway. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know your thoughts on the infotainment system update. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.